Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can turn off screen flickering when you're watching YouTube videos on browsers such as Chrome. Okay, so I was personally having this issue when I reinstalled Windows 10, and then I was getting the screen flickering whenever I was watching a YouTube video. So I turned it off with a simple process, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in this video. So if you're on a web browser like Google Chrome, but this will work on most Chromium web browsers, the same exact process. It has the same settings. So all you need to do, I'm on Google Chrome, so I'll show you how to do it on Chrome. You just want to come to the top right hand corner of Chrome, and you see these three vertical dots right here. Click on those three dots, and then you want to click on settings. Once you're on the settings of Google Chrome, you can do this the hard way and try and find this option or this setting, but an easier way is to just come to the top here where it says search settings, and you just want to type hardware into the search bar. And then it says here, use hardware acceleration when available. And this is most likely what is causing your screen flickering when you're watching YouTube videos. So all you need to do is to disable this feature, and then that will be off. But now you have to reload your browser. So simply just click on the relaunch button. That will simply just reload the browser. And now you can see that it is off. And then you should be able to reload YouTube, go into a video and play it, and you should get rid of that screen flickering. So I hope this video was able to help you out today. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.